Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Courtney Bryan, and today we are joined by one of your favorites, Hallee. So today we're going to be reviewing your dating profile. So if you follow me on Instagram, I had some of you guys DM me a screen recording of your profile. So we're going to be going through those today, giving our honest feedback, maybe some do's and don'ts, some things that you could maybe do a little bit better. We're going to be very honest, so Stay tuned. Okay. Dogs,
we always love the dog picture.
I don't love that photo.
Kind of hard to tell what they look like.
Yeah, it is better. It's good to have at least one photo with a friend, so I'll give you that.
Yes.
Okay, you like to swim. You're with your dog.
Okay. Oh, this is Tinder?
It might be.
Tinder. Yeah, this is Tinder. Okay.
Okay.
I was like, it's different. I don't have Tinder.
Okay, let's see. Let's read his bio. Okay, no fish pics, not a Trump supporter, has a skincare routine, 4.94 Uber rating, reviewed by a friend. Tyler is a funny and loyal guy. We'll always have a good time with him, and if you treat him correct, you'll be friends forever. I don't love this bio.
Yeah, I mean, it's very direct. So if they're trying to weed people out, they're doing the job. But this one might be too far where it could limit your options.
Yeah, I mean, it might be a little bit too forward.
It's very forward, yeah.
Okay, the review by a friend thing, I feel like that's so overdone.
See, I've actually never seen that.
Really?
Maybe I just haven't. I don't have Tinder. Is that a Tinder thing?
Or maybe. Yeah, because I've seen, when I had a Tinder, I saw that a lot. Or the Uber rating.
Okay.
No fish pics. I think that's funny because
that is funny because they, like, especially when you're looking on TikTok and stuff, they're just roasting people, like every guy on Tinder
holding up a fish.
Yeah.
So I would say the fish pic thing is okay, but again, just be careful how much you limit yourself. You know, and you could get a lot of girls because you say this, but I don't know. I just think sometimes adding politics and stuff like that to your profile can be a little bit messy.
It's polarizing.
Yeah, for sure. Which, if that's what you're going for, again, then go for it.
Yeah.
But also has a skincare routine. That's a good one.
Wait, I missed that. Where's that
I missed it too. See, I totally missed
that. I know. I have to like look at it for a second and focus.
You could honestly just have it as no fish pics and has a skincare routine. Yeah, like that's it. You don't need to even have anything else. I feel like that's attractive to girls.
Yes.
Your photos. Okay, let's see if he shows any more because. Oh, that's Instagram.
Yeah, okay. I do have something to say about the photos.
Yeah.
I think the first one does give you a little bit of an idea of what he looks like, but sometimes people will, I would maybe do one that's a little more close up.
Yes.
Because you need to be able to tell, like if I look at your profile personally and I can't tell what you look like, I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Apparently they don't want anyone to know what they look like.
He's hiding something, he's covering something up.
What's the secret?
When they have photos, all their photos are with friends. It's like, okay, which one are you?
Yeah, if you do a quick scroll and you're like, have to do investigating to figure out who it is, that's no. But you got some here that you can tell.
The first pic is definitely the best one, so I'm glad that that's your first photo.
Yes,
the other
100%.
ones could use some work. I'm not sure the one on the beach did you any favors or the one standing in the woods, just because it's so far away and I can't even tell what you look like. Like, you don't even look like the same person that's in this first photo. So utilize the fact that, you know, you have a great smile, you look good in this first photo.
Yeah.
Definitely post
Hair's
some more.
done nice, looks like he has good style.
Looks
cute doggo.
adorable with the dog. Like the video was cute with the dog too, but again, I couldn't really tell what you looked like because it was dark.
Yeah.
So yeah, just add some more photos of you closer up so we can see what you look like. The one photo with a friend I think is good just to show that you have some sort of social life. Yeah. I think 1 to 2 max photos with a group of people.
Right, yeah, you don't want too many.
So just work on your photos and then change your bio to those little things we said and I think you'll be good. Good. Overall, pretty good.
Oh.
You see what I mean?
Okay.
Let's see. Like, this is so strange. Another food pic.
Okay.
That photo was okay.
Yeah.
This one's okay.
Yeah.
John.
Yeah.
John, what are you doing?
Kent. John.
Did you? That's funny. He's wearing a Kent. We both went to Kent, so that's funny.
Yeah.
Go Kent. Let's see. Like you're polarizing, buddy. Funny. Like you look like a guy that just is funny.
Yeah. 100%.
This is the thing, John. You don't give me your bio, so I can't help you there.
There is a little bio right there. No.
Oh my god. You kill me. All right, this is someone I know from high school, so he submitted this like to be funny, but I don't think he changed it like
Okay, I didn't know he submitted it to be funny.
Maybe this is how he is.
Okay.
Who knows? But okay, so let's just critique this as if it were a real person.
Yes.
This is like, first photo should not be a group photo.
No.
Your first photo should be a close-up photo of you, or a little bit closer where I can see what you look like.
Worst case scenario, you put a group photo and maybe you see someone, you're like, oh, that guy's cute. You go to the next photo, you're like, dang it.
Yeah, you're like, it's not even him.
So don't do the group photo
Yeah,
first.
although I do think you're the cutest in this picture, so you're okay. But,
I would have to agree.
and then you have a photo of a crab cake. Or something. Yeah, is it a crab cake?
With a crab
Which is
plot.
funny because I know that you work in a restaurant, but to some random girl, she's gonna be like, why does this guy have a picture of a crab cake with a lobster claw hanging off the side? Like, what's going on? Let's go on. That photo's not horrible, but your outfit's not doing you any favors. I'm a little harsh because I know you, but let's see. This is just funny. I hate those sunglasses. They're horrible. But you look cute. Your facial hair is
like we
cute.
said in the last video, close up gives you a good idea. Although the glasses, it's hard to tell what you look like up close.
That's another thing I tell guys too, is like, if you're gonna have the close-up photos, you can't have the sunglasses on, because then it just looks like you're hiding something.
What are you hiding?
Are you missing an eye? What's going on?
Keeping it up a mystery.
Yeah. Another food. I don't know what that is. Looks delicious.
I think one photo of food might show, okay, you're a foodie.
Yeah.
But too many. Be strategic with your pictures.
Yeah, or like on Hinge, you could use that as a prompt. Like, dating me would look like, and then put a food prompt.
Yes.
But with Tinder, without any explanation or
Tinder's
any kind
harder.
of... Yeah.
I think I just like Hinge better.
Honestly, after looking at the Hinge profiles versus Tinder, it seems like Hinge is a lot easier just because they give you the prompts. It seems easier to connect with people on there. And you're single, you're on Hinge and whatever, you probably can say that firsthand.
Yeah, I had Tinder in the past, and it's people take it less serious.
I feel like it is more of a hookup thing,
Yeah.
which is hilarious because I met Teddy on there and he's my fiance now, so it's like,
how ironic.
I think that we just got lucky, but yeah, if I was dating now, I think that I would definitely use Hinge versus whatever. But anyway, going back to the photos. So yeah, maybe, if you are using a food photo, use it as a prompt on something like that.
To show an interest.
This, like, what the heck, John?
I'm scared.
Yeah, that's terrifying. That's a great photo. You look cute. You look athletic. I think it's cute.
Yeah, that's good. I think it shows,
It's a photo someone took of you, which I think always looks better than when guys take selfies from awkward angles.
You're out and about, you're doing something, you're wearing a Kent shirt, that shows, that gives some context.
Yeah. That photo's not horrible. I can at least tell what you look like.
Yeah.
You look like you might have been drinking all day, but that's okay. And then that photo's like funny.
Yes, that is funny.
Like, you just look like a bro. Which could be a bad thing.
And I think, honestly, showcasing your personality, this is a good picture to showcase your personality because it's clear you're kind of being funny about it.
Yeah, and
some of them you're like, is he being serious? I don't know.
Yeah. But this one is good, and I think it shows that you don't take it too seriously, but also you have a good sense of humor, which is good, which I know you do because I know you. So, all right. Overall, 5 out of 10. Okay, that's a good first photo.
Yes.
If you don't want to have concerts in the car, I don't want it. Okay, that's cute.
I love that.
Another good photo.
It looks like you got some professional ones done. Those are nice.
I'm hoping you like to read. Oh, these are good. Let's see. Let's read this one because it's a little bit longer. If it's meant to be if you're adventurous, if you like to try new foods and restaurants, like to travel and go to concerts or games. Okay.
Yeah.
Then it shows some stuff you're into. Yeah, I quote too much from Euphoria. I don't watch that, but a lot of girls do. So that would be a really great way to like send a first message.
Something in common right off the bat. I don't watch that either.
He's 21 though, so I feel like that's kind of the demographic.
Okay, yeah, it's more Gen Z.
Yes,
I'm like on the cusp of Gen, so I don't really know. But yeah,
I just turned 26, so I feel like I'm a little too old. But but yeah, I think that could be a great way to, have people reach out to you. But also, your photos were really good.
Yeah. What dating app is this? Because I don't recognize it.
I don't know.
Because I was gonna say.
It's yellow. Is it Bumble?
I don't know. I don't
can't
have
tell.
Bumble right now.
Right now?
I had it at one point.
Yeah, I can't tell which dating app this is. I have no clue.
Well, anyways, yeah, I think it's great to do professional photos taken of you. Like, these are really high quality. You can tell what he looks like. He's dressed well.
The only thing I would say, you only have 3 photos, so maybe add one of you with your friends, again, just to kind of show you out in a social setting, and then one like doing something that you like to do. If you like to be outdoors, if you like to go to concerts, maybe a photo of you at a concert, something like that.
That's what I was gonna say, is I think just diversify it a little bit, because you get the point across, you know what you look like, you know you have good style, but then add in those other pictures, like what you're, I know you talked about some of your interests, but maybe you show one of your interests, maybe you're doing one of them, and like you said, out with friends. Yeah,
and that will just make you stand out even more than your profile already does, because you have those solid, good images there that are going to show what you look like, again, that you have good style, but then adding in those extra just makes you kind of pop a little bit more.
Yeah.
That was good.
That was a good one.
Alright guys, that is all we have for this video. If you liked it or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be in the loop for when I release new content. I think it's great to get another woman's opinion on this, because I'm obviously not single, not looking for anything online, and times are changing, things are changing. I mean, we have the voice prompts now, which is
I've yet to do that.
A brand new phenomenon. So it's just nice to get kind of a single girl's perspective also, to, you know, kind of see what you would be looking for and what would grab her attention. So if you would like to participate in a future video like this, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. Love connecting with all of you guys on there, and give Hallee a follow while you're at it. What's your
It's Hallee_Smith, Hallee.
No one ever spells her name right.
Misspelled, but it's fine.
Thank you all so much for watching. We will see you all next time.